My dear children, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today in this session, we are going to study the important types or kinds of social responsibility. The important types or kinds of social responsibilities are: first one, economic responsibility, then legal responsibility, ethical responsibility, and discretionary responsibility. Now we are going to study what is meant by economic responsibility. A business firm is an economic unit. Therefore, its primary responsibility is to produce the products and services that society wants and sells them at a profit. Let me ask one question. What is meant by business? Yes, business means purchase or sale of goods and services for making or for earning profits by satisfying the needs of the customer. The ultimate aim of doing business is to earn profit, but at the same time, the important objective of doing business is to satisfy the needs of the customers. This is an essential responsibility of the business. This is the example of economic responsibility. Then a business enterprise is basically an economic entity. Therefore, its primary social responsibility is economic. Then the produce of goods and services that the society needs and wants sells them at a profit. There is a little discretion in the performing this responsibility. Then another important responsibility or another type of responsibility is legal responsibility. Every business enterprise has the responsibility to follow the laws of land. A law-abiding enterprise is a socially responsible enterprise because the laws are meant for the welfare of the society. Then every business has a responsibility to operate within the laws of the land, since these laws are meant for the good of the society. Then next one is ethical responsibility. This ethical responsibility includes the behavior of the firm that is expected by the society but not codified in law. For example, respecting the religious sentiments, then dignity of the people while advertising for a product, etc. There is an element of voluntary action in performing this responsibility. Another important type of social responsibility is discretionary responsibility. Discretionary responsibility means this refers to purely voluntary obligation that an enterprise assumes, for instance, providing charitable contributions to the education institutions or helping the affected people during floods and earthquakes, etc. It is the responsibility of the company management to safeguard the capital investment for avoiding speculative activity and undertaking only health business ventures which give good returns on the investment. The very important concept of social responsibility implies that it is essentially an ethical issue, since it involves the question of what is morally right or wrong in relation to the firm's responsibilities. Social responsibility also has an element of voluntary action on the part of the business person who may feel free to perform or not to perform such responsibilities. They may also exercise their freedom for deciding the extent to which they would like to serve various sections of the society. In fact, all the businessmen do not feel equally responsible towards the society. There has been a debate for some time now whether the business should assume social responsibilities or not. Some people strongly believe that a firm's only social responsibility is towards its owners. Some others, however, hold an opposite view and argue that the firm has a social responsibility to serve all sections of the society who are affected by its decisions and actions. It would be useful to understand the arguments offered both in favor of and against the assumption of social responsibilities by the business.